Hi everybody, how is your day? I hope you are all doing so well. So in this video, we are going to see other data structures like tuples and sets. So what are these? So let's look at each of these data structures in Python. So let's get started. Tuple should be treated as read-only list. We can create tuple like this one. Like this one. So row items and bracket first, second, and third. So we can print out the last item with -1, just like the list. Row items of -1. And let's print it out. So we can loop through the tuple to print items out with for loop. For example, for item in row items. Print item. Okay. So if we run this code, we should expect an error here. It will show us the index error. Same with the indices, like this one. Because the 20 isn't in the tuple index, is not 20 is not in the index. Okay. And this one also here, row items 10 is not in here right here. So to find out what methods are available in a tuple, we can create the code with for method in dir of tuple if method dot starts with bracket continue print of method. So we got two methods, count and index. So one more thing to know is that tuples are immutable, which means unchangeable. So we can test it with the append method right here. Let's put ABC. It will show us the attribute error. Okay. So let's take a look about sets. Sets are like also lists. They look like dictionaries, but they allow us to keep unique items. So let's create empty set. And let's add items with dot h bracket. And let's print it out. So let's see. Okay, 1. We can add many more items as long as they are unique. Okay, so let's try to add with unique.add of 1. We got to duplicate like this one. If we want to short it off, it will just have only just 1 or 2. Just 2 only. Just like I said before. They only allow us to keep unique items. That's what I mean right here. You can also pop items too, but it takes no argument to write in code. Like this one, unique.pop, unique. Okay. If we run this again, it will have just set. So let's run it again. Okay. If we run this again, it will just empty set. So in this case, the first item was 1 over here and it was left with 2. So if I run this again, it will produce an empty set over there. So there you have it. So there's 2 other data structures that you might encounter aside from lists and dictionaries. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So I would like to see you in next time. So thank you for your time. So goodbye. Bye-bye.